This is the unboxing of the Graco Magnum Pro X17. Everything appears to be okay. I don't see any shipping damage. You can see it comes with the 515 true airless tip. So I guess this is pretty much it. Comes with some pump armor. Looks like a preservative for the pump to keep it from getting rusted and stuff. Looks like a little adapter to use the water hose to flush it out when you're done using it. I think this is a 50-foot hose and a nice little laminated instruction kit to get you started. I'll be able to use this today on a deck and fence, so I'll probably put about at least 5 gallons through it. I'll do a review on it afterward. I have a 313 tip that I'm also going to use. I'm going to see how bad the overspray is with both of these tips. Both of them are the true airless. I think they're the new tips from Graco. Other than that, that's it. Thanks for watching.